Hey guys, it's Ben, and in this series I'm going to be doing the ultimate dream workshop renovation. You can see behind me my current workshop. It's a 16 by 20. I wanted to start this series off to where you could see where I'm coming from and then what I'm moving to. So 16 by 20, you can check out my previous shop tour videos if you want to get a lot of detail. This is literally in my backyard. If you pan over this way, you could see my house is really not that far from where I needed to go. Just a few steps back to the shop when I want to jump out to it. That's a really nice convenient thing because I don't want to travel somewhere to 15-minute drive to work on something and then 15-minute drive back. So in the back of the house, it's in the corner of my yard, takes up a good chunk of it. So this is what I am leaving. We actually just signed on a house today. So let's go over to the new house. I can show you the shop and the state it's in, and then you can follow along this series to watch where I go and the steps that it took to get there. All right, just a quick pan. This is the inside of my shop, and you can see I've run out of room and I filled it. I just have a big laser in the way. So if I want to make something, there's no space left in here. So this is a big reason why we're moving. I just need a bigger space. So this is the inside of what I have. It's been reworked a ton of times, but now let's go over to the new house, check out what we got going on over there. And this is my new shop. This whole thing is a detached shop from the house. It is literally, if you pan over here, the same distance of from the house to the shop. So it's in my backyard still. But this is a 30 by around 50. And it's actually two shops. It's an addition on the right. The left side was the original, the right side is the addition. And there's a half wall down the middle that's split in half. So let me take you in. We could take a look at this shop and all the area I have for more expansion and more projects. So the nice thing is either side has a garage door. Unfortunately, they're very ugly and it does not have a garage lift, so I have to manually do it. I have been here a few days, so I've done a little bit of work, but this is the left side. I've taken all the lights off. On the corner here, we have a stove. And then we have some shelving and some wood back there. On this left side, we have an area where, I don't know, you could put a door here and block things off if you wanted. I have no power and no lights in here. So this is the left side and the little area. And then this is the half wall between the two sides. The concrete floor kind of steps up right here. And then we have another big side on this area. It's just a straight open room. So this is the before. I'll show some pictures right here of the guy and all his junk in here. This is the before. Next we're going to put in a door, a replacement door, then we're going to paint the walls white, then we're going to put in epoxy flooring, and then we're going to start moving stuff in. So stay tuned for the rest of the series. It's going to be a multiple part series kind of telling you what I've done, how I've done it, and all the professionals that come and help me out, they're going to walk you through it. So the next part, I'm going to install insulation. This side has insulation in it. The original side doesn't, so we're going to beat the walls apart, stick in insulation, and re-wall it. See you on episode 2.